In the 30 years since Pulp Fiction was released, a $5 milkshake has gone from ridiculously expensive to incredibly cheap.
No one ever thinks the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles smell bad, despite them living in the sewer.
There's no convincing a confident idiot.
Humans are so lucky that orcas aren't interested in eating us.
After you kill a fly and dump it in a garbage can, that's like putting the fly in heaven.
The positive feedback loop that led to the Beanie Baby boom is almost identical to the crypto boom.
AI prompts will give us good practice for wording wishes to a genie.
Someone has definitely drowned in a bucket, or a sidewalk puddle, or a bowl of soup.
Many people were saved from texting the wrong person when phones switched to selecting whom you wanted to text before you wrote your message.
Attack dogs must be predisposed to attacking obese people because of the safety suit.
AI won't destroy humanity via killer robots, but by destroying human reproduction with generative AI replacing human-to-human relationships.
Teenage is an awfully broad category.
Our brains are so complex, there might be so many rare mental disorders that still haven't been discovered.
The only living person you truly have no chance of meeting is yourself.
The reason why cell phones are rare in dreams might be because you just dream about the pictures or videos you see in them directly.
Any number divisible by 3 will still be divisible by it even if you interchange any number of digits.
Driving recklessly makes it harder to drive recklessly.
Reality TV isn't real at all, the people are, but the stories are completely up to the production team to make up.
At one point each of us burned a CD, not knowing it was the last one.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Humans domesticated dogs, cows and sheep. But we domesticated humans.
Heating is also air conditioning.
Your vision becomes worse with age, but you see circumstances more clearly.
Darwin's discovery of evolution eventually led to the Pokémon franchise being able to exist.
You can't spell basement without semen.
Maple trees live in a world dominated by super-intelligent vampires. I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.